Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create exponents or superscript in Google Docs. And basically, there are two ways to achieve that. As you can see here, there are two different styles of exponent that I have created for this tutorial. And both of them actually easy to create, and you can use them for any purpose of your document, whether it could be just a regular document or you want to insert some mathematical equation. So anyway, let's start with the first method. So if you want to create something like this, it's pretty easy. Just place the cursor anywhere you like. And let's say I want to create an exponent of 10 to the power of 100, for example. So I'm going to type 10 and then press Ctrl dot on your keyboard if you're using Windows, and if you're using Mac, then the shortcut is Command plus dot. And when you do that, basically the cursor will move to slightly to the top where you can enter another number. So it's going to be 100 like this. So that's the simple way. Basically type the number and then Ctrl dot, and then you can type the exponent number. Okay, that was for the first method. The second method is much more useful for mathematical equation. We can get something like this. To do that, we have to navigate to let me increase the size first. Okay, first you have to navigate to the insert menu and then click equation. And then here on this option that's called math operations, click on that and select this option. Okay, after that, you can type any number. Let's say it's going to be 2. And if you want to input the superscript, you can press the right arrow on your keyboard. And then, yeah, just like that, the cursor will move and you can type the number like that. So yeah, this is another way to create an exponent using the mathematical equation feature in Google Docs. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.